Now, since we are done with task number 1, now it is time to move to task number 2 for a hands-on activity. Now, here is the list of the tasks that we will be doing. Apply any theme to slides. Apply transition to all the slides. Remove the transition. It should be transitions over here. So, remove the transition from slide number 2. Insert image relevant to the topic and apply animation to it. So I will be showing you this particular part over here. Now I have already applied a particular theme. I will be once again showing you how to apply the theme. Select any one of the slides. At the top you will be able to see theme. Select the theme. Over here a list of the themes will be visible to you, my dear kids. You have to select any one. So this time I am selecting Swiss. You will be able to see Swiss and by Asif Ansari. So our part number 1 has been done. Now applying transitions. How to apply the transition? Again select the slide. Transition. Over here by default it will be none. I will be selecting slide from the right. Adjust the speed. Apply to all. As soon as I am applying to all, you will be able to see that the circles will be coming to all the slides. So our second task has been done. Remove the transition from the second slide. So this is our second slide. How to remove this? Just select the slide. The transition will be selected. If the transition is not there, select the slide. Go to the transition. Over here, it will show which transition we have applied. Make it none. As soon as I apply none, you will be able to see over here that there are no transitions that are applied to slide number 2. Insert images relevant to the topic and apply animations to it. So over here, my topic for the day, it is Internet Day. So how to insert? Insert. I'll go in insert, image, search the web. So I will be typing Internet Day. Then over here, I will be getting a list of the events or a list of the images that are present over here. I will be selecting any one. Suppose I will be selecting this particular image, or else you can search the image and copy paste it on the slide. And I require to animate this particular image. How to animate it? Right click over here, directly go to animate. Animation option will get open over here. It is fade in. I will be typing fly in from the bottom, adjust the speed, and first play it just in order to see that yes, it is getting played or not. So yes, it is coming perfectly fine. Now this is our task number 2. If you want, you can insert certain text also here related with Internet Day and you can animate it. How to animate it? Select the text again, right click over there directly, or select the text. You have to go to the 3 dots. You will be getting an option called as animate over there. Click on the animate. Again fly in from the bottom, medium, play. So first image will be coming because image is first, and then text will be coming. Then I'm just removing it, and one by one I will be applying to both. Add animations. Fly in from the bottom so that first text will be coming and then image will be coming. Again add animation over here. Fly in from the bottom and then play. Now let's see how it is getting played over here. First and then second image is coming. Now to all the slides, slide number 3, slide number 4, slide number 5 and slide number 6 and 7. There should be certain text and there should be certain images that should be present over there, my dear kids. Done.